lakas ng ulan. Ikaw, with all respect, with all your love for her, Lola, hindi nga yan umuulan. Tingin mo ang araw-araw. Remember, that's why we went inside. Sa kanya, umuulan, kumikidlat pa. Is she making it up? No. That is her reality. That is how the failing brain is processing what the eyes are seeing. Because yung shadow nung kurtina, mukhang ulan. Yung glisten ng araw, mukhang kidlat. And here you are, kahit na napaka-paggalang mo, sinasabi mo, Lola, hindi totoo yan. Nagsisinungaling ka. Kasi at the back of her mind, you think I am making this up? Nagsisinungaling ako? Kinukontra mo siya. So when Lola says na umuulan, oo, umuulan.